everyone. First of all, if you hear some flaky sound from this video, I'm really sorry about that. The thing is, we are moving our house and also our studio, so hopefully in a few weeks time we will have some better quality audio and video as well. But I just wanted to do a quick follow-up show and tell video to my last tutorial where I have discussed my AI agency strategy in details. If you haven't checked that video yet, I will recommend you to watch it from your right top. In the last video, I have discussed how exactly my AI agency sales pipeline, funnel, and automation is set up. However, because that tutorial became very long, so I chose to create this as a separate video to show you exactly how it is all working, more like a demo. So of course, because it's a demo, I would run it as test mode, but then I'll also turn the entire process live, so you would know how to build, test, and go live with funnel, pipelines and automations go high level in this video. If you're new to the channel, my name is Abhijit. You're watching Kno2gether, where I try to simplify latest tech and innovation for your future in your business. So before I go any further, just want to quickly reiterate that in this video series, I am setting up my own AI agency as a business, and my target is to build the agency to get up to probably around £10,000 per month revenue within a year. So if you're someone who is an action taker and also like to build your own business, own AI agency along with me, you must subscribe to this channel because I will produce regular videos on this topic and I'll share my entire journey with you. Also, if you want to start your agency using the same all-in-one software that I am using for my own agency, then you should find an affiliate link in the description below. And if you use that link, that will give you a special 30-day free trial as opposed to 14-day free trial that any regular customer will go high level. So if you really want to take this benefit of 30-day free trial, use the link from my description below, and you would not only 30-day free trial, you would also get all the website, funnel, automations, processes, pipelines, everything that I as part of my agency. You will get access to everything using my snapshot. And not only that, I'll also help you set up your agency within 10 minutes using my snapshot once you register using the affiliate link. Please click the link, get started, and let's grow together, because I also have a community where you will have access to, and you can share your journey there and we can all grow together. So just remember, the faster you take action, the faster you will reach to your goals. So coming back to the topics, before wasting any further time, let me actually share my screen and let me take you. So in the last video, I have shown you this 5-step funnel where we were offering home service business owner in the UK with a premium website with just £1. And then I have already discussed in details how we are planning to upsell and downsell our premium products or our special products. So as any home service client would show their interest in the £1 website, we would ethically and legally, by just providing real value to the businesses, we will actually try to upsell our real actual products, right? But with £1 website, we are anyway providing a lot of value that you have already seen in the last video. If you haven't seen the video, you should, I think, see the video, because that is where I have also discussed the entire strategy around it. Right, so let's not waste any more time and let me actually try and open the funnel and test it. So before I go and test, I want to just show you once. So as you can see, this mode is live at the moment. If you are going to test it, you should actually make it to test mode, otherwise it's going to cost you some money. You need to use a real card, but I don't want to use that. I just want to test my pipeline and automations and stuff, right? So we will set this to a test mode first. Now we will open an incognito window. I'm going to give the URL. So let's first test as a business owner or as a potential home service business who just want the free website, who doesn't need anything else of our services. So he would probably click here, and then he would probably give all the details. Let me fill out the details quickly. So I used free limited to ensure that this time we're just going to test the free product or the £1 product. Now, one other reason why we are charging £1 is because we want to ensure that we are not serving the same promotional offer to same customer again and again. We have filled out the card. Before you fill out the card, make sure you're testing it's on the test mode, and then we say complete order. Now, as the business owner would click complete order, you would be taken up to the upsell page automatically. So this is where we are trying to sell our business growth package. By the way, this is a really, really valuable offer that we are providing. So if any business owner or home service business owner watching the video and you want all of this system built in for your business, and you can actually manage the entire business from your mobile app, you can try and check out the offer as well as we are running at the moment. But yeah, as we are testing, we just say no thanks. So we are just testing a scenario where the business owner is just looking for the £1 website. And again, we click no thanks. Now, as that will happen, the product purchase is complete. So the potential business owner or the potential lead will get an email with the purchase order details. So we'll go and open our email and just refresh it. Yeah, so as you can see, this order is completed. You can see the order from here as well, where it came from. And now we take a look at the automation, and you will see that site order automation. This should have been kicked in for that customer. If you check the opportunity tab for free website, you would see that the Kno2gether Labs free limited is popped up here as a new lead. If you quickly take a look at the automation, so this is the automation that is been triggered for the free journey. So basically it has created the opportunity in the pipeline automatically for us. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just not going to wait here. There is a particular reason why I have added wait there, because sometimes Stripe API takes a lot of time. So that's why there is a wait there before we send out the email. So what happens after that is it gets triggered an email automatically, and this email is where we ask the potential business user or the home service business owner to fill the his business details, which we will use to create the website. Now I have talked in greater lengths about why we do this step, why we do not book the appointment at this stage, because we want a tangible result to show to them. So that's why we are asking for their business details, which we will use to first create the website, then we book the appointment, and then we show them the result. So here we will put all the details about his company details, his logo and brand color and everything. And once he submits that, once he will submit that, what will happen is there is another automation that will kick in, which is called form field automation. Now this form field automation, what it is going to do is it's going to add another tag that the form is filled, and then it will into a stage called work started, and then it will send an internal notification to myself that user or a potential lead have filled out all the details. It's now you start working on the website. Now once we created the website, we go back to the pipeline, and then we move, as you can see, it has automatically picked that user into reach for next steps. So that means that next steps email was sent. Now after you have got all the details, the form automation will put this particular lead into work to start phase. And here you will create the website, and then you drag this to book meeting stage. And as you put it to book meeting stage, there will be another automation that will kick in and send out an email with a booking link or appointment link, which the business owner can use and book an appointment with you, and you can actually explain them the website and everything else. Now this is the free journey, which is like the potential lead who have just used the £1 offer. Now what happens if a user actually using your funnel purchase one of your service? That is another journey, and that is where we are not going to actually send out these emails. That flow is also automated, but it's a bit different. Let me actually quickly show you that. What I'll do is close this, again go to sites, and then go to entertain offer. Let me again copy this link and then come to window. This time what we will do, we will actually purchase one of the products. So I will say they will purchase the business starter. So starter limited. We use starter limited here as the company name, and same like before. So similar like before, we are going to purchase this £1 offer as a potential business owner. Now let's imagine the home service business owner don't want this package, but let's say you want to grab the business starter package, which is at £97 per month. So once it does that, so this is pending yet for this to complete. I think today there is some problem with this Stripe test APIs. I saw a few of the products, or especially the recurring products, are going into pending state. We just have to wait for a few minutes. So as you will see that at the moment, because the other product offer is still not finished, the payment hasn't still arrived. That's why the free website and automation have kicked in. But don't worry about it even if it does kick in, because what we have done is in the free website automation, I have added a wait time for 5 minutes here. So basically it's not going to send out any email until 5 minutes. So hopefully within 5 minutes, the user, hopefully within 5 minutes, the business user will be actually able to purchase the product, and the product will be, and the payment will come through within 5 minutes. So if payment comes through, then what will happen is the starter package funnel will, the starter package automation will kick in, and then that will remove the user from the free website funnel. So now if you go to the ultimate growth package, this pipeline, you will see that this user is now created in this pipeline, although it is still not removed from the free website pipeline, but it will eventually be removed, because if you go back again to the free order automation, you will see that after 5 minutes of wait, it will check some condition, and then in the condition it's checking if the user have a tag of ultimate business growth customer. If it does not include a tag, then it will send an email, but it does include a tag, then it will remove the free website lead tag, and then it will remove the opportunity from the free web service client onboarding. So that means in like 5 minutes of time, that user will be removed from this pipeline, right? Now, if I open the email, you will see that we have received one email here where it says that whatever product that we have purchased, and then as a business owner, the automation will send the meeting link to book the meeting, because here this business owner using this email address have purchased the order, so we don't want them to fill out the form. Rather, we as a business owner would reach out, and we would in the meeting we would fill out the form for them, and then you will see that this so you would see that the automation has automatically put the user into meeting booked stage of the pipeline, and from there you can actually do the meeting, get all the information, and then move forward. So that's how the pipeline works, and these are all live pipelines. So if you are a home service business owner watching the video, you can actually grab all this offer, and I'm just going to turn it live. So this funnel will be live now, and anyone can actually use our. So this is how I will create more automation within the software, and I'll also share with you if you use affiliate link to site, and if you use affiliate link to there are more videos coming, so please subscribe to the channel, and you will see a lot of next one. Take care.